I go left, okay?
Sure.
Not this one, other left.
Yes.
No car, yeah.
Do it slowly.
Of course.
Do it here.
Little bit.
Maximum now. Too early. You hit the curb. You're
Yeah.
on the fucking curb.
Yeah, I know, because you you told
Can you drive on the road?
It's my first time. Should be the other side, not this side. Because I will cross the... Doing right? Answer me, my teacher.
What?
If I'm doing right here. If I drive right.
Yeah, good enough. We're not dead yet.
Beginners here.
I know. It's hard in the beginning. Okay, we can go over to Plantagen and Biltema again.
Again there? Okay. But check if...
I'll take a couple of laps here.
No, I can go there, but make sure no car.
Yeah. But if there is a car, you have to stop.
There's one way here. Let's see.
Don't hit the edges.
No, it's okay, right?
Yeah, don't hit the curb. This is good.
Okay, check if you have no car.
It's good. Here, car. Good, you stopped.
Okay? Whew.
You should have done it sooner, though. Because
I
you're
didn't
out.
see it. Okay?
Yeah. What are you doing now?
Playing. You think I can go?
Yes, of course. But be decisive about it.
Okay.
It's clear now.
Oh my God.
Just go. No, here's the car coming. Stop here and wait for him. Stop here. Stop. Stop. Not that hard. I told you.
Yeah, but I'm nervous. The car coming.
Now you go.
Remove the brake. Clutch.
And just go.
Sorry, guys.
Don't be so twerky.
Of course, you need to understand. It's the first time here.
But
And then go there straight.
Ja, visst.
Whew.
Do smooth, equal movements on the pedals.
Yeah, but you know I'm nervous a little bit because of the car. But I did it last time.
There's
Right?
nothing to be nervous about as long as you stop and wait for him.
Okay.
Continue here. I want to see how it looks there. I've never been there.
So good thing I know how to drive now. Now you know here.
Don't hit that white fucking stone there.
Of course.
What is this? Is it enough video?
No, it should be. It's my first time, and you need to rate me for us as a beginners.
Well, you suck, obviously, but every fucking beginner suck.
Oh, it's not allowed here.
I don't see a sign, so we don't care.
Really?
Yeah,
I don't want to go in jail.
no, it's no jail. It's fine.
You think it sucks like this? It's very good already for me.
No, it sucks, but it sucks normally, so it's not a problem.
Okay, I'll go right. Okay, I left.
Yeah, past the whole building here.
You think I can go there?
No, obviously you can't, so turn around.
See how good I am now to turn around? Only turn around. See? You know that?
Yeah, sure.
See? I go back and build him, okay?
Okay.
I will show you how to drive nicely and carefully.
Mm-hmm.
Not like you drive. You drive so fast and not safe.
I drive fast, but I drive safe also.
No, not
and I
safe.
don't fuck up.
Of course, you drive since how many years? Me, it's my first time. You understand?
Yeah.
Oh my God. See how good I do like this? Oh, see? Ha! See? Välkommen till Vildima butik. Det är min man favorit Vildima. Good. It's nice. Slowly. Go. Bra Elin. Jättebra Elin. Okay, and go left. You see? Ha! Fucking awesome. But only like this speed. So I will not fuck up.
Yes, but now you will shift up to gear number 2 on this straight here coming up. More speed first.
More speed and
More speed.
yeah.
More speed. Faster.
Okay, more speed
And now you quickly shift to gear number 2.
clutch and gear number 2.
Yeah, don't hesitate. Do it. Release
Okay.
clutch. Just release clutch and gas.
Fuck, I did it.
Yeah, it's good.
Woo!
That was better. And now you shift down again to number 1.
Number 1. Okay.
Do it now.
I did the clutch and okay.
Yep. But you have to learn how to turn at the same time you're doing it. You release the steering wheel when you do it.
Someone practicing here mobile, so what I will do now, I will kill him.
I stop filming now, okay?
Wait, last time here. How many minutes my film already?
I don't know, 7 minutes.
Oh really? Okay, last time here. Then I'll do park. I'll stop here and I'll park.
Do a nice parking now. See if you can do it.
I don't know.
Perfectly in a square here. Take a square here to the right here. Don't hit that rock there.
Yeah, I know.
Don't hit that rock there.
Okay, I did a nice parking.
Stop then. You have not stopped yet. No, this is shitty parking. Do it. Put in reverse and back up a few
Okay,
meters.
so remove the brake, right? Reverse.
Yeah. Reverse.
I go put up and then.
No. First you just pull it down so it's neutral.
Okay, first put it down. Done.
Then the button.
So remove the brake is remove my feet in the brake.
Never.
Okay. Okay. Reverse. And then
Up. Looks like gear number 1 to me.
aha. Okay. Remove to neutral first. Okay.
Be firm with it. Push up the fucking button. Then left all the way and then up all the way.
Okay, sir.
Do it on.
I did. Remove the brake.
What did you do?
Reverse.
You're fucking neutral already. You didn't do it. You released it.
Okay. Up. And then
Up.
up like this. Up here.
Yes, up front.
Okay.
Good. Just back up
Remove the brake.
5 meters.
Or slowly. Clutch. Okay.
Just do a little bit more. Straighten up the steering wheel. Wrong way. Why do you do it the wrong way? I said straighten it up. You did it worse. You didn't straighten it up.
I will park here.
Yeah, do it on. But put in gear 1 first on. Push the clutch and just roll in, and then you brake slowly. This
Okay.
is shitty parking.
Aha.
Yeah.
There's
Take the
navigation.
next square over there.
There's
A
navigation.
little more to the right. Just roll in slowly and brake now. 1 meter. Not so hard.
Okay.
It should not jerk at all. Stop now, slow, easy.
Oh, this one.
No, half a meter longer. 50 centimeters more.
Oi.
Hva gjør du?
Remove the brake. A little bit power. Enough?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Neutral.
Yeah,
Neutral, right? And then put like this.
yes. You don't need to push that when you take it, you just pull it. You only need to push it
Okay.
to release.
Oh yeah. It's done?
Yeah,
Okay.
we finished for today.
Yeah, I'm fucking drive 1 hour. It's enough.
It's 1 hour. It didn't feel like 1 hour.
Yeah, it's 1 hour because you're gnel hela tiden. Okay, it's time for you to drive. Ay! Oh, isang oras ako na paikot-ikot, dai. Oh my God, dai. So, ito po yung parking lot na dito kami pa-practice para ano. Pero umikot na ako dun sa, doon na ako kanina sa roundabout. Ang hirap kaya.
It's decent, but you see it still sucks because
Oh
it's
yeah,
not in
it should
the
be
middle
another
there.
Oh, see, this is my parking. Tourbillon mo ba little bit? Pero hindi pa rin daw masyadong kasi dito lang siya yung side na yan. Dapat daw sa gitna. So, pero pasado na ng konti. Beginners eh. But it's okay, right? It's beginners. Beginner parking.
Yeah, I guess you suck equally to most people.
Oh
So
my
it's
God.
normal.
How you discriminate me? Why you discriminate me like this?
But some destroy the car and you have not done it, so I'm pleased.
Okay. Ayan po, tapos na. Next time ulit. Woo! Kinabahan si Inday. Paano ba naman pumunta kami dun, no? Dito kami kanina. Dito kami kanina. Pumunta siya doon. Drive niya ako doon. Roundabout niya. At saka ang daming sasakyan dyan. Buti na lang, isa lang yung nasa lubong ko kanina. Tapos doon kami pumunta sa tapat, sa Bauhaus. O diba? Kinabahan ang puso ko. Woo! Next time ulit. Bye bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye!